Hey everyone, welcome back to Born Bearded. I'm Dave. Today we're going to be talking about a subject that every bearded man can relate to: confidence. Whether you're just starting your bearded journey, or you're rocking that full gray beard, or you're somewhere in between, owning that look is more than just the products. It's a mindset, it's grooming, and the way you carry yourself. I'm going to break down some tips to help you look and feel your best with your beard, regardless of your age. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that like and subscribe button real quick. Share it out with all your bearded friends. It'd be greatly appreciated. Let's get through the intro and we're going to get right into it. So let's talk about the mindset of beard confidence. Beard confidence is in your head. Stop comparing your beard to other people. You are on your own bearded journey. Focus on what makes your beard unique, whether that's your random patch, your salt and pepper grays, or that thick spot on your chin. Own it. When you're confident, people notice. A confident beard is a strong beard. And let's not forget grooming for confidence. Your beard care routine affects how confident you feel with your beard. Keep it clean and moisturized. Oils, butters, and balms keep it soft and manageable. Brushing and combing guide growth and maintain a polished appearance without needing a cut. Brushing and combing stimulate the skin cells by increasing the blood flow, and it also helps you spread those natural oils. This keeps your beard both full and vibrant. Your beard's a natural lifestyle. Younger men, experiment with length and texture. Let your beard grow into its own character. And us older guys out there, embrace those natural grays. Keep your beard soft and nourished. A gray beard is both distinguished and authentic. A quality comb, brush, and an oil with your favorite scent can make your beard stand out without changing the shape. Your confidence isn't just grooming. Presence, posture, stand tall, own your space. Let your beard reflect your energy. There's also dress and style. Pair your beard with your wardrobe. A clean, classic look elevates your beard instantly. And of course, health matters. Stay hydrated, eat well, and get rest. Healthy habits help improve the texture of your beard and give you a boost to your self esteem. Now, here's the part that most people don't like to talk about: it's handling the criticism and the self doubt. Every bearded man will run into judgment at some point in time. It's almost inevitable, and sometimes that comes from strangers, friends, and even sometimes family. Ignore those comments that bring you down. Focus on grooming and how you feel. Compliment your own beard. Notice the growth, the texture, and the shine. Surround yourself with other bearded guys and a supportive community. Brotherhood and camaraderie are huge confidence boosters. And for us older guys that are rocking those gray beards, that's a badge of experience. Embrace that natural color. It adds character and wisdom. Keep those gray beards moisturized and styled. Soft, well kept gray hair looks distinguished, not unkept. A mature gray beard is a confident statement. It radiates respect and authenticity. To recap: mindset, grooming, style, lifestyle, and embracing your unique journey are the keys to beard confidence at any age. Your beard is more than just hair, it's part of who you are. Own it, care for it, let it reflect your confidence. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, share this out with a brother that can use a confidence boost, and remember, your mental health is a priority, your happiness is essential, and your self care is a necessity. I'm Dave, and I was born bearded. Love you guys.